Installation video. Step 1. Introduction. First, get out of all items from the package. Their LCD mirror monitor, backup camera, power cord and 23.5 feet 4-pin wire, T-taps, splice adapter, cigarette lighter adapter and rubber band. You can tear off the sheet. Step 2. Install the camera. The camera's angle can be adjusted like my way. We will demonstrate how to install camera on the license plate. You can install it at the back of the license plate, like my way. Or you can install the camera at the front of the license plate, like my way. The position can be adjusted flexibly. The method cannot hide the information. 2 ways. First way, powered by the cigarette lighter to use the adapter on/off for continuous driving use. Now I connect the black 4-pin connector into the monitor. Then I connect the black 4-pin connector into the camera. Use rubber straps. Fix the monitor to the rear view mirror of the car. Look at my operation like this. I take out the cigarette lighter, plug off the green connector. Plug the red connector into the cigarette lighter. Connect the power. Press the red button. The monitor appears image. 2 ways. Second way, powered by the reversing light to only work in reversing. Now I connect the black 4-pin connector into the monitor. Then I connect the black 4-pin connector near the power cord into the camera. I take out the power cord. Plug the black 4-pin connector into the red power cord. In this way I connect the thin red wire to reversing light, black wire to ground, black wire to ground. So when all are connected, the monitor are lightning. Okay, we can see the picture in the monitor. Step 5. The button of the monitor. Let us see how to adjust the button at the bottom of the monitor. Press the menu key. There are H icon beside the guidelines. Press minus key. You can move the guidelines to left. Press plus key. You can move the guidelines to right. Press the menu key. There are V icon beside the guidelines. Press plus and minus key. You can adjust its height. Press the menu key again. There are W icon beside the guidelines. Press plus and minus key. You can adjust its width. Press the menu key again. You can adjust its brightness through plus and minus key. Press the menu key again. You can adjust its contrast. Also, you can adjust its color, adjust its zoom, adjust its guidelines on or off through plus and minus key. The guidelines are closed on the screen. Press the menu key again. You can open the guidelines, like my operation. The image of guidelines appears. Finally, watch the process of connecting the camera to the lamp line. The process of connecting the camera to the lamp line. T-taps. T-taps has 2 holes and 1 hole is closed. The long line is the line of the lamp or the circuit line on the car. Thrust the car light line into the first hole. Camera power cord. Plug the power cord into the second hole. Iron sheets. Clamp the iron sheet to the tap's bottom.